Hello, this is Diane Huth. I'm the Runaway Sherpa, and I want to help you successfully move to Mexico now. This is a membership community, and I'd like to invite you to participate with me to learn step by step everything from getting where you are today, whether you're back at home in the United States or Canada, wanting to learn how to move to Mexico, trying to figure out where's the optimal place for you, finding your path, making the plan, making the budget, and successfully implementing a transition to moving to Mexico, whether it's full-time or part-time like a snowbird. There's some wonderful benefits to be had from living in Mexico. And in this membership of like-minded people all on this journey of adventure in Mexico, we are like-minded people looking to transform our lives to one of joy and happiness, choosing to live in the place that we want. There's going to be so much value in this membership. It starts with a quick start call with me. I will be calling you and we'll talking on Zoom to make sure we know exactly what your needs are and so that we can help you achieve those goals. There will be a weekly live coaching call, and that'll give you lots of access to myself, to other members of the community, both on the coaching team, people who have already made the transition, and then the whole team of other people all moving through this progress together. I'm so excited. We have 5 people arrive in 2 different families within the past week, successfully relocating to Mexico. And it's so exciting to see that transformation. I want to help you achieve that same transformation. So we'll have the weekly live coaching call and a Q&A call, monthly access to a Mexican professional like an attorney, an immigration attorney, a business attorney, a CPA, somebody who will help you learn about the legalities of moving to Mexico. And also, if you're interested in working, we're going to have several modules every month, a career corner if you wish, to find ways that you can make a living while you're moving to Mexico, because that's everybody's biggest problem is I want to go, but how do I get there? We will be there to help you all the way through. Talk about quality housing, what you can afford. We'll give you samples of what different people's housing looks like in Mexico at different budgets, and so much more. So I want to invite you to join me on the journey of the membership of Move to Mexico Now. I invite you to join us. It's a very low, affordable monthly membership. You can leave anytime you want, but most people stay for a long, long time because there's so much value. And I'm committed to working with you, to learning what you need, and to help you step by step so that you too can move successfully to Mexico faster and easier than you ever imagined possible. I welcome you to the group. I want to help you move to Mexico now.